Thank you so much.
Let's go see our room.
Wow! I can see the ocean from here.
Dad, can we go swimming now? I brought my swimming shorts.
Good idea. Let's change and go to the beach.
Don't forget sunscreen, everyone. The sun is very strong here.
I'm ready, Mom.
Look, they have swim rings over there.
Let's go rent some. It'll be safer for swimming.
Aloha. Welcome. Do you need swim rings?
Yes, please. We need 2. 1 for each child.
Sure. We have different sizes. How old are your kids?
He's 8 and she's 5.
Perfect. These will fit them well. It's $10 per ring for the whole day.
That sounds good. Here's $20.
I love this one. It has flowers on it.
Have fun. The water is nice and warm today.
This is so cool. I can see small fish.
Dad, help me go deeper.
Not too deep, okay? Stay where I can touch the ground.
You all look so happy. Smile for the camera.
Mom, come in. The water feels great.
Okay, I'm coming.